G'day. If you're using one of these job management softwares and you want a better way to handle your customers before they become a quote or job, and you're looking for a CRM that can manage your customers all powered with AI, then Lana may be the solution for you. In 5 easy steps, Lana can handle the entire customer journey from start to finish. And let me quickly explain it. First and foremost, we integrate with your website to handle all website inquiries 24/7 with our AI receptionist. We are the original AI voice that can handle jobs, inbound calls, and convert them into jobs automatically. We also have PDF work orders. If you're getting those, we can instantly create jobs within your job management software. And of course, aggregator sites and social media are all handled by Lana. What does that mean? In stage two, the leads are captured within our CRM. So your contact lists are full and automatically being populated by each of these customer channels. So you'll never miss a lead again. We have a pipeline manager so that you can easily see where all of your jobs and quotes are at one flick of a switch. And literally with a drag of a card, you can instantly create a quote or job in your job management software. Our team will build out all of your marketing collateral. So these are text messages and emails. We have job certs and certificates all built in, so our system can generate those for you. And of course, we seamlessly integrate with your job management software that you work with, meaning we can do appointment reminders, debt collection, and much, much more. Don't believe me? Have a look at this. We've mapped out every single job management software from start to finish, whether it be the cost centers within Simpro, whether it be the job queues or badges in ServiceMate, events and tasks in Aroflo, and so on. Fergus, Service Titan, Jobber, Lana's Australian based team are here to help you. Get in touch with our team today, and we look forward to speaking with you.